With the power-efficient segment, the representative is the Neousys NRU 120S. Powered by the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier, it consumes merely 30 watts of power and provides similar performance to a 120-watt GPU card. Featuring PoE Plus ports, easy swap trays, and USB 3.1 Gen 1, it is a rugged and extremely power-efficient edge AI computer that supports high-resolution cameras and is a winner of the 2021 Vision System Innovators Award. The NRU 120S is an intelligent video analytics solution for mobile or roadside units. It can monitor public safety through pedestrian behavior analysis and vehicle analysis, and can be sent to the cloud server database that may be used as evidence or for further analysis. When installed into an automated mobile robot, it can help navigate, detect, and avoid objects to move and store materials around the warehouse.